In our backyard. Oh, let me find it. There it is. Wait, there you go. So you're probably wondering, that's from our cat. But then look it right there. That one's our cat. This is not our cat. I'm gonna try to tame it. I'm gonna try to be nice. So it's blocking. Oh. No. Oh, I can't get him under there. You can barely even see it. It just has no shades. By the way, I know this is Ernest's cat, so if I tame the cat, it's art. So then I'm basically robbing Ernest. So I'll tell you when I'm done robbing Ernest. I'll tell you update. Bye.